ITIL-4 Foundation introduces an end-to-end operating model for the creation, delivery and continual improvement of technology-enabled products and services. Start preparing for the ITIL-4 Foundation certification exam with the latest and valid ITIL-FND_V4 questions and answers now. ITFreedoms provides the ITIL-FND_V4 exam questions in the PDF format, which you can download easily on all the devices. To keep the ITIL-FND_V4 dumps in your access all the time. Come to check the free ITIL-FND_V4 demo questions first. 1. Which is the most likely way of resolving major incidents? A. A support team following detailed procedures for investigating the incident. B. Users establishing a resolution using self-help. C. A temporary team working together to identify a resolution. D. The service desk identifying the cause and a resolution. 2. What is the correct order for the 3 phases of problem management? A. Problem identification, problem control, error control. B. Error control, problem identification. C. Problem identification, error control, problem control. D. Problem control, error control, problem identification. 3. What is the value of a service? A. A result for a stakeholder enabled by the outputs of the service. B. A tangible or intangible deliverable of the service. C. The amount of money that is created or saved for the service consumers by using the service. D. The benefits, usefulness, or importance of the service, as perceived by the stakeholders. 4. Which statement about the inputs and outputs of the value chain activities is correct? A. Inputs and outputs are fixed for each value chain activity. B. Each value chain activity receives inputs and provides outputs. C. Some value chain activities only have inputs, whereas others only have outputs. D. The organization's governance will determine the inputs and outputs of each value chain activity. 5. Which is a description of service provision? A. Activities that an organization performs to deliver services. B. A way to help create value by facilitating outcomes that service consumers need. C. Cooperation between 2 organizations to ensure that a service delivers value. D. A formal description of one or more services, designed to address the needs of a service consumer. 6. What is the difference between the incident management and service desk practices? A. Incident management resolves complex issues. Service desk resolves simpler issues. B. Incident management restores service operation. Service desk provides communication with users. C. Incident management manages interruptions to services. Service desk monitors achieved service quality. D. Incident management resolves issues. Service desk investigates the underlying causes of issues. 7. How does the incident management practice set user expectations? A. By using collaboration tools to communicate effectively. B. By agreeing and communicating target resolution time. C. By assigning resources to ensure that all incidents are resolved as quickly as possible. D. By automated matching of incidents to known errors. 8. Which value chain activity ensures that ongoing service activity meets user expectations? A. Plan. B. Deliver and support. C. Engage. D. Obtain, build. 9. What is included in the purpose of the IT asset management practice? A. Making new and changed assets available for use. B. Supporting decision-making about purchase, reuse, retirement, and disposal of assets. C. Providing information on how assets are configured and the relationships between them. D. Moving assets to live or other environments for testing or staging. 10. What is a user? A. The role that uses services. B. The role that authorizes budget for service consumption. C. The role that defines the requirements for a service. D. The role that directs and controls an organization.